ma Kiambu toka pedha manotema bang' kuo mar moko kuom gige lweny e tesend obila ma Dagoretti. E kindego obila nofwenyo kendo yudo bunde kido mar AK-47 kaluwore gi komanda mar obila e kaunti ma Kiambu Doris Kemei. Bunde no en achiel kuom gigo manokwal e monjno e tesend obila ma Dagoretti tarik 25 Jumani e kinde ng'anyo. Kemei omedo ni pod nitie gige lweny mathoth manie lwet jonjore kendo gidhi nyime gitimo nonro mar yudogi.
Kidogo amnaongea na OCPD hapo.
And from that day we've not gone to rest because we want to get to the bottom of this matter. And as a result of that handwork, we've been able to recover several items that are already here with us, starting with the AK-47. This one was stolen from Dagoretti police posts, that is on 25th. And it is very unfortunate if we can have this kind of a lethal firearm in the hands of the wrong person. And we were able to get it from one of the members of the public through an information that was brought to us, and through the efforts of my officers in Kikuyu, we were able to recover the AK-47 that was stolen from Dagoretti police posts. We also got a magazine. This is the AK-47 magazine. Unfortunately, it is empty, but I know with the efforts we are putting in place, we will also be able to get the ammunitions because it was loaded when it was stolen. We only recovered one live ammunition. You can imagine, this only one ammunition means a life was to be lost if it was left in the hands of those criminals. We were able to recover the untried gun. This one was also stolen, and unfortunately they could not be able to operate. I think they were struggling to operate and it was broken. This is what we've recovered, and we are going on with the investigations, and we are very, very optimistic that we will get to recover the remaining 3 firearms. In total there were 5, we've gotten 2, and we have information that will lead us to a very, very successful recovery.